we offer to you. You can live whole life. So now we are going. Because Brajagopi, they have no any desire. They left all. In this way, Brajagopi told, we have nothing. But how can prove he has no desire? They have no desire. We are asked. Guru Varga told, like one girl, on time, after 12 years, become mature. Why? Because they have age, young age coming, in this way automatically this mood comes. When they have desire, at once they have period to come. They have desire, in this way, this mature life, this mood comes. But Brajagopi, they are young. They have no desire. Sri Krishna playing with Brajagopi. But they have no any desire. None. In this way they are not going young life. No, they are young, but no period, no mature. Very strong, because they have no desire. In this way, Guru Varga told, Brajagopis, they have no anything else, no any desire. Everything control for Sri Krishna. Give their life for Sri Krishna. Atma sukh dukhe gopi nahi kabhi char. Krishna sukh hetu kare sab vyavahar. They never think for themselves. Oh, I am happy or unhappy, I am feeling pain or happiness, never think. But always they have desire only for Sri Krishna. Krishna lagi yaar sab pari parityag. Krishna sukh hetu kare Shuddha Anurag. They left all things for Sri Krishna. Sri Krishna become happy. His happiness is our happiness. In this way, they have only one point mood. Krishna pratigya ek আছে পূর্ব হইতে যে যেইছে ভজে কৃষ্ণ তারে ভজে তৈছে। So Sri Krishna promise, his promise, oh, who is serving me, I am serving him. কৃষ্ণের প্রতিজ্ঞা ভঙ্গ হইল গোপীর ভজনে। তাতে প্রমাণ কৃষ্ণ শ্রী মুখ বচনে। But Gopi, they are serving to Sri Krishna. Sri Krishna spoke, I am serving, same mood, same way. But Krishna cannot serve to Gopi. Because Gopi is premi, highest prem. So Sri Krishna spoke, Napala he aham niravatta sangijam. O Gopi, I cannot give anything. So I left from you. তবে যে দেখিয়ে গোপীর নিজদের প্রীতি সেও তো কৃষ্ণের লাগে জানিও নিশ্চিত। But Brajagopi, they are decorating, they are dressing themselves, they are making decorations, then they are dressing beautiful dress and decorations, everything. But their decorations, everything for Sri Krishna. Sri Krishna will be happy. For his happiness, they are dressing, decorating, everything. এই দেহ কইলু আমি কৃষ্ণের সমর্পণ, তার ধন তার এই সম্ভোগ কারণ। Brajagopis, they offer their mind, body, life, everything to Sri Krishna. This is his oil. Or he can use, he can taste. If watching this body, touch this body, become Krishna happy, oh, his happiness is everything. In this way, Brajagopis, they are doing decoration, dressing, decorating, singer, everything doing for Sri Krishna. Hari Advut Gopi Bhavir Svabhav Buddhir Gochar Nahi Jahar Prabhav. This is very wonderful nature. And understand how is Gopi moved. Gopigan Paranjavi Krishna Darshan Sukhavanchana Sugai Koti Go. They have no desire, no selfish mood, no happiness. But when gopis they are watching to Sri Krishna, at that time they become more happy. Gopika Darshana Krishna Iti Ananda. So Sri Krishna watching to Sri Gopi. Sri Krishna watching to Gopi. In this way, Sri Krishna is happy. But Gopi watching to Sri Krishna, they are more happy. Billion happiness, Gopi's mind. Tasavar nahi nija suganurod. Gopis, they have no selfish mood, no selfish happiness. But when they are watching to Sri Krishna, that time more happy. तथापि बारहे सुख पड़िल विरोध. This is become opposite. ये विरोधेर एकमात्र देखी समाधान. गोपिकार सुखे कृष्ण सुख पर्यवसान. When gopis become happy, so Sri Krishna also more happy. So when gopis they are watching to Sri Krishna, then more happiness. Gopika darshane Krishna bari prafullata se madhurye bari jar nahi ka samata.